this from the side, y'all. What's going on? Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome to my channel. It's your favorite homegirl, Ayana Mertina, and today I am back with another hair video. As you can tell, my hair has been washed. That's why it's up in this towel. What I'm going to be getting into today, as you can see based on the title, is me using this blow dryer brush. It's the TYMO Volumizer Hot Air Brush. So this is the brush. Pretty handy, like easy to hold, and the part like right up here does not get hot. So if you're like blow drying your hair like this, you won't be burning your hand off. This is the cord, so like no matter which way you rotate it, the cord just moves with you, so it's not going to get like tangled up on your arm or anything. Down here, the bottom, it has a power indicator. So right now it's on this one, and it's steady on my end. It's flashing to y'all, but this just means it's plugged in and off. The next one is like a cool air setting, and then like medium heat, and then like the highest heat setting. When I used it previously, I used it on the medium heat and the highest heat setting, and I don't have any heat damage, so I'm going to use it on the highest heat setting again because I want to get my hair done. It is 11:47 p.m. and I cannot tell you why I decided to wash my hair this late, but here we are. I already shampooed and deep conditioned my hair. Underneath here is just damp and like thrown into this microfiber towel. I did not put a leave-in conditioner on it yet. I am going to. Gonna use the Uncle Funky's Daughter Midnight Train leave-in conditioner. And then I'm also going to use this all-in-one styling potion. It's very similar to It's a 10, their Potion 10 Miracle Styling Potion, but it's just the Sally brand because I'm a little cheap. I'm gonna use this really just for like heat protection, and this for like a little bit of moisture, but I don't want to weigh my hair down too much because I'm gonna be doing a color on it tomorrow, so it doesn't need to be like coated in product and all of that. So after all that talking, oh my goodness. After all that talking, let me go ahead and get my hair sectioned off to like something that's workable. And then we're gonna just go ahead and get right into the blow dry process. Okay, I found another clip, and I'm actually going to apply my leave-in conditioner to the like my whole half a head, and then going to oh, excuse me. I'm going to go ahead and apply the leave-in conditioner on this whole half of my head, and then I'm going to split it in two and apply this on like each individual section to make sure it's applied really good. Okay, so this section looks so bomb. The roots are like freaking straight. Even though I said I didn't really want to get it like bone straight, I just wanted to show you like this is like perfectly ready for a blowout. This is a blowout, wow. It is perfectly ready for a flat iron, to be ran through it real quick and not give me any heat damage. Because it's like, look at that. Like the bottom part of my hair has like very little shine to it because it's so light, but you can see like up here at the root. Healthy. Change of plans. I'm not using this. Every time I use this, I realize just how sticky it makes my hair feel, and that could be totally my fault because I use so much of it. Oh man, I already sprayed on the front part. Well, we're gonna have one side with this leave-in conditioner on it and one side without, because I'm not spraying it on the other side. My hands feel sticky. My hair kind of felt sticky. I can't tell if right now it still feels sticky or if it's sticky, like it's just my hands are sticky, so they feel sticky in my hair, you know what I mean? So we're gonna like skip that for this half of my hair and just use this. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead, finish all of my hair. So let's see, it's 12:01 right now. I'm thinking I should be done my hair by 12:15. That's a good guess, and I will update you guys with the time when I'm finished. So it is 12:21. I was only 5 minutes off from my estimate for finishing my hair, and you can kind of sort of see where this side was like resting on my neck. Got a little hot in here. Started to revert a little bit, but we are fully blow dried. This side definitely dried quicker versus the side where I sprayed the leave-in conditioner on it, and this side it feels less moisturized. Surprise, surprise, right? But also when I touch this side with my hands, it doesn't feel sticky. So I don't know, but yeah, so I am fully blow dried. It's 12, like I said, 12:20 is when I finished. I don't think it's a bad time, honestly, to go from, like, if you've been watching my channel for a while, then you've seen this blow dryer before. This blow dryer is basura, okay? It is hot trash. There's no way I would be done blow drying my hair right now if I used that one. Now, my hair is like kind of like all tangled up in the bristles, but to clean it out, I just use a rat tail comb and just like go between the bristles and pull my hair out. But yeah, it didn't get tangled too much in my hair, even though I didn't like fully detangle it. The most it got tangled was when I was doing the front two sections and the back was already blow dried, so it was like kind of getting mixed up between the already blow dried straightish hair versus like my still curly wet hair, and it kind of got tangled there. But because it has like, I can't even really show you, I mean, let's take a close look. It's gonna be kind of gross, but like whatever. I wanted to like focus just on the brush. So you see how it has like the longer bristles, like with the round end, but like it also has like the shorter ones like down in here. You can't really, I don't know, you can kind of sort of see them, but like the shorter ones is what really like helped grip my hair and like hold it there so the heat could actually get to it and blow dry it and get it like in this good smoothed out blown out state. Whereas if it only had the longer bristles, then hair would have just been blowing every which way, and it would have took me a lot longer to finish. But yeah, if you are in the market for a new blow dryer brush, or if you just like buying new tools, this is one I think you should try. So I got a comb. I have these two, they're not rubber bands, they're like really skinny hair ties. So now I'm gonna go ahead and twist my hair up or braid it up, whatever. So now my hair is prepped for my new color coming tomorrow. I mean, y'all will see it. I think I'm gonna upload this on Monday, so you guys will see this on, you guys will see my new color on Wednesday. Unless you follow me on Instagram, then you'll see it on Tuesday, because Tuesday is my birthday. So I'm gonna wear my new color for my birthday. So if you follow me on Instagram, which you should, at Ayana Mertina, then you'll get to see the new color before anybody on YouTube gets to see it on Wednesday. I think you should go ahead and join the secret family. I'm lit over there too. I'm lit everywhere I go. Looking like Pippi Longstocking. But yeah, that's all I have for today's video, guys. Highly recommend this blow dryer. I don't blow dry my hair that often, so I'm not worried about like getting heat damage or anything from using the highest heat setting. But if you blow dry your hair often and heat damage is something that worries you, you can use the first heat setting, not the highest one. Thanks for watching this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, be sure to leave a thumbs up and a comment down below and let me know if you want to try this out, or if you oh my god, why can't I talk? Let me know if you guys want to try this blow dryer out, or if there's anything else you guys want to see. That wasn't even... Leave a comment down below and let me know if you guys want me to try any new tools, products, or if you guys are interested in getting this tool. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell right beside it so you can get notified of any new videos that I upload, because like I said, I upload 3 times a week, on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, and I don't want you to miss anything because I am all that in a bag of chips. Okay? So I hope you guys have a great day or a great night, whatever it is when you're watching this. Make it a great one, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.